Let's take a look at what happened today with Tesla. We closed at 325.78, down $1.77. That's 0.54%. Post-market up by 12 cents. Let's take a look at the chart and understand how we can make money with this. So today was a pretty boring day actually. We are still into a downward channel. So this is not the time to buy Tesla because we are into this symmetrical triangle at the same time. We have a bullish channel right here, but we are also coming down from this other trend. So there are multiple trends that are competing and coming together. So if you own some Tesla shares, this is not financial advice. I don't know your financial situation, but from a technical analysis perspective, it's not the time to buy because we don't know where Tesla will go. Nobody knows. Yes, the robotaxi is live in Austin, Texas. Is it going to be impacting Tesla's revenues? Yes, of course, eventually. But what counts is the tug of war between the buyers and sellers. This is what makes a price move. It's not the news, it's not the fundamental news, it's not the new product news. It is, will people want to buy more than sell Tesla shares? And this is what we care about. And we saw a great example of this not too long ago. We had these super bad earnings with Tesla. 34% negative surprise in earnings. Made a lot less profit than what the analysts were expecting. What did happen? The stock launched like crazy. We made money here because we don't make our buying decisions on fundamental data. We make our decisions on actual market data. We were into a downtrend right here. We had identified it and we were watching it, and then boom! One day we had a candle that closed right underneath it. Then the next day we broke the downward channel. And as I always say, we need to give it some leeway to get cut into a congestion zone. This was at 258. We broke that also, and then boom, the rest is history. So this is what we are watching. We are watching the market. This is so important. We need to know in which trend a stock is. And they all have trends. They all have their ups and downs. This is ARC. Went up a lot, went down a lot, and then it went back up. So yes, if you held here, yes, it went back up. Great. But you have lost specifically 3 years of your money doing nothing. Instead, sell when it gets into a congestion zone and breaks down to it, and then get back when it does a congestion zone and gets above it. That's it. You do this and you do that, and imagine how much more money you would have. So this is what we do here in Tesla. So right now, I would not buy, I would hold. I would hold unless we start breaking this bullish channel and this support 295. Let's take a look at the 1 hour chart. Basically, we are just going sideways. We are using this very small downward channel that we followed for maybe a week. We are using this as support right now. Cannot break above 331. So on the 1 hour chart, breaking above 331.40 is the first buy. Then we could get bumped back at 335.73. If we break that, this is going to be a second buy. And we also have the short position. If we go lower than 13, this is going to be the first short. The second one is at 305. So let's just wait and see what the market decides to do. Let's take a look at the VIX. We are lower. We went super low today, down to almost 16. We are at 1660. This is fantastic. The lower the VIX, the higher the stock market. We just love this. Bonds are also falling. The 20-year, the 10-year. Yeah, this is really nice to see. So in terms of the economy, things are turning around to the positive. Let's take a look at Dow Jones. Okay. I've been talking about this congestion zone. We were stuck. Dow Jones at 43,339. We just broke it today. This is a significant event. Yes, it's only one candle. This is looking super good. Stock market, the Dow Jones is making higher where it previously could not. So this is great. Let's see if SPX has done the same. So close, look at this. Stop right smack on it. Maybe tomorrow we are going to get it. Nasdaq, yes. We stopped yesterday on the second resistance. Now we are above it. So this is a significant event. We had accumulation here in the past, and we are now higher with Nasdaq to where we were in December of last year. Took all that time to get back here. This is great. This is in sync with what is happening in the stock market. Tesla is different. Tesla has its own specific story. But if we take a look at the rest of the market, look at this. Lots of green, lots of black, and just a little bit of red. This is nice. And if you are part of our Discord server, we are finding other buy signals for the other stocks that we are looking at. But you need to be a YouTube member at the private Discord server level in order to get access to this. In terms of economic data, we had the durable goods orders month over month at 16.4. This is a lot higher than 5.2. So this is super nice. This shows that some aspects of the economy are growing. If we look at the GDP contracted 0.5%. 0.5%, this is a sharper decline than the second estimate of a 0.2 drop and the first quarterly contraction in 3 years. Not everything is perfect, and this is not too good. This is why also we need technical analysis, because we have some positive news, we have some negative news. So how do we know when to buy? We know by looking at patterns. We used to top here. If we break, this is going to be a buy. Look at this, 57, now 84. Okay, you want one for free? Zeta. Zeta topping at 1487. It has been topping there since March. Topping outside of its downward channel. Once it is going to break 1487, this is going to be a buy. Boom. It broke. Now it's retesting. So far it's holding. Once you set a stop loss, nothing's for sure. Nothing is for sure. But at least we are not buying blindly. Oh, this is a great company. I'm going to buy, and this is the date. Okay, no, it was not the right time to buy. Now, we need to buy when we are not into a downward trend. We need to buy when the downward trend is gone. We need to buy when the horizontal congestion zone is gone, and when the stock wants to make a move higher. This is the time we need to buy. There's always risk. We can put just a little bit less money if we are not too sure, but at least we have some signs, some intentions, and some behaviors in the stock telling us that it wants to go higher. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.